How to share a YouTube video on Facebook. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how, you may follow up these steps. So go ahead and open up YouTube first. And then once you open up YouTube, you may go ahead and locate up the video that you would like to share on Facebook. For example, this particular YouTube video. So all you gotta do is locate up the YouTube video first. And in the YouTube video, you should be finding a share option. You may go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you will be finding different options to share it on. So all you gotta do is you may locate up the option Facebook from here, or you also have the option of copy link. You may use any of the methods. For now, I'm using the copy link method. Tap on it. And then once it is copied, you may go ahead and close up your Facebook app and then go ahead and open up Facebook in your screen. Once you open up Facebook, you should be finding this interface. So if you want to go ahead and share a YouTube video on post, you may tap on this what's on your mind on your screen. Tap on it. And then on this what's on your mind section, you may go ahead and paste the link like this. And then tap on the post at the top right corner. And then once you do that, the video should be shared on Facebook. So that is how you share a YouTube video on Facebook, or you may also share it on your story if you prefer. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.